Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of vacuuming every week or just want to upgrade your home with smart tech, you're going to love this. Today, I'm reviewing the top 3 robotic vacuum cleaners in 2025, all priced over £100 and packed with features. We'll cover cleaning power, smart functions, and real pros and cons to help you choose the best one. Let's dive in. 1. eufy L60 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Best budget pick. First up is the eufy L60, one of the best value robot vacuums in 2025. At around 109 in bindings, it delivers a lot more than you'd expect for the price. With 5,000 PA of suction power, it handles pet hair and dirt easily, even on carpets. It uses smart iPath laser navigation to clean efficiently without bumping around randomly. You also get app control, voice assistant compatibility, and scheduled cleaning. eufy L60. Pros: strong suction power, laser-guided mapping, app and voice control. Super quiet eufy L60. Cons: no mopping feature, no self-emptying, smaller dustbin. If you want powerful cleaning on a budget, the eufy L60 is a fantastic entry-level choice. 2. TP-Link Tapo RV30 Max Plus. Feature-rich pick. Next is the TP-Link Tapo RV30 Max Plus, priced around £249, and it really packs in the features. It's a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop, ideal for both dry and wet messes. It features LiDAR navigation, auto boost on carpet, and multi-floor mapping. You can set custom zones, no-go areas, cleaning schedules, and more via the Tapo app. Tapo RV30 Max Plus. Pros: vacuum and mop combo. Advanced LiDAR mapping. Smart cleaning zones. Great value for money. Tapo RV30 Max Plus. Cons: mopping is basic, won't handle dried stains. No self-emptying bin. App has a learning curve. If you want smart control and multi-surface cleaning at a mid-range price, this is a fantastic option. 3. Dreame X50 Ultra Complete Premium Beast. If you're going for total luxury, the Dreame X50 Ultra is one of the most advanced robot vacuums out there. It vacuums, mops, self-empties, washes and dries its mop pads. Fully automated cleaning. With 5300 PA suction, AI obstacle detection, and auto-lifting mop heads, it's built for hands-free performance. The base station also handles water refills, dirt disposal, and mop cleaning automatically. Dreame X50 Ultra. Pros: full automation. Vacuums, mops, empties, cleans itself. Super powerful suction. AI. Obstacle avoidance, very low maintenance. Dreame X50 Ultra. Cons: very expensive. Over £1,100, large base station, overkill for small homes. If you're ready to stop thinking about floor cleaning entirely, this robot handles it all. Final comparison. So, which one should you choose? Best budget: eufy L60. Great suction, basic features, and affordable. Most features: TP-Link Tapo RV30 Max Plus, vacuum and mop combo with advanced mapping. Full automation: Dreame X50 Ultra, best of the best with total automation. Outro. Thanks for watching today's breakdown of the top 3 robotic vacuums in 2025. Which one would you pick? The budget hero, the smart multitasker, or the luxury beast? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home tech reviews.